اشرب مويه صحه وهنا. جعلني قاروره في يدك.
옛날에는 이제 먹어가는 발성이라고 선생님께 많이 혼났거든요. 근데 이제 이거를 저도 많이 갈고 닦아가지고 이렇게 장점으로 바뀔 수 있지 않았나 싶습니다.
It's a beautiful voice. It's like if you sing all night, the world will listen all night. You make the listener feel a lot of emotions, and it's sexy, and it's just amazing, and just keeps getting better and better with time. I want to ask you, is that something that you have worked on and polished it with a lot of vocal exercising and practice, or is it something that a singer just has to be born with, and no matter how much you practice, you can't get it if you don't already have it? It's just amazing and just keeps getting better and better with time. I want to ask you, दिल में
लेते हैं आप हमारे दिल में है
आप हमारे
한번 가자 4-2-3에 자
India BTS Army आप हमारे दिल में रहते हैं.
예
Meet you. How old are you?
14.
14?
Yeah.
18.
16.
Brother.
I thought you guys were twins.
Really? What?